Hello, welcome to our last video. Finally, I guess. Yeah. So, in this video, we will discuss at least two ways that film and media portrayal of black people have changed according to the 1988 portrayal of black people in films and has evolved African Americans. So, basically, I would say nowadays they're like police officers, they're lawyers, sometimes they're the hero. I mean, you got a bunch of superheroes in Marvel. You got Black Panther, Falcon, and the War Machine. And then you got all kinds of other movies where they're detectives and private eyes, private investigator, uh, lawyers, doctors, businessmen. So back in the day, they were always doing different stuff. So I guess that's more than two ways. And then portrayals of how they're still the same. Well, they're still the same by some movies where they're involved in gangs, warfare, and all kinds of horrible things. And they're always seen as the bad guys and everything. And I guess from what the book says is that in the movie The Soldier Story, which is primarily suggests is African American cast, suggests that the literal reading to the race of American South is basically a bunch of stories about, you know, white soldiers for the crime. So basically, yeah, there's a lot going back and forth with who hated who and who was considered the villain and who was considered the bad guy. But nowadays, most times in reality TV shows with series, they give you, I guess, a black portrayal of people being gang war, or the person robbing or committing crime is a black person. The person who's cussing and yelling and is loud and arrogant is the black guy. The first person to die is the black guy, which is literally a gag that they always do. So yeah, I would say so. Yeah, and that's it. Well, see you guys. Have a good one.